The fourth one is a variation on that flaming text, icy, or if you want you can go to this URL and then you have to click on melting ice cream and it comes up looking like this. It's the same idea anyway. So whichever one you want to do, icy or melting ice cream. So, two of these to do. So I get myself file new, and again I'll go 6x6. My resolution's 150, grayscale. Okay with white. Alrighty, and then once created, you want white as the background color and black as the foreground color. So I switch them around, set to default and switch them around. So it ends up looking like this. You can also just click on D on your keyboard to set the colors to default. So we're going to click on our text and we're going to have whatever words you want with a nice thick solid icy. I know everybody's going to type that. Brrr. Okay, move you into Effect, Control T. Oops, no. Come on. Here we are. Icy. Double click to embed it. Okay, and then make sure that you've got some room underneath here because you're going to have the icicles dripping. Okay, we're going to go up to Filter, Noise, and then we'll add some noise. Now we'll rasterize, yes we will, and then we're going to have 105 and the distribution is Gaussian. Okay, Control E. We're going to merge the layers now, which is Control E to merge them down. And I'm going to unlock that just in case. Okay, and to do that, remember I went up to, was it Layer? Merge Layers, Control E. Right, now we're going to start blurring it. So that's the kind of the icy effect starting. Okay, Filter, Pixelate. We want to crystallize. 3 is good. Okay. And then we're going to start our blur, which is Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. We're going to have a radius this time of 2 pixels. Alrighty. And now we're going to invert, which is Control I to invert the image. Okay, we've got that black background. Then we go up to Image, Mode. Does this sound familiar? RGB. There we are. And then Control U to bring up Hue Saturation, which is Control U. Up comes, which is Image Adjust, Hue and Saturation. Click the Colorize button. That's very important. And I'm going to use, you can see the colors starting to come in. I'm going to use about 171. Let's see what that does. Up a bit. Yeah, I'm okay with that. And then OK. So far so good. Now we're going to get the icicling effect. So we want to rotate it again. Remember, Image, Rotate Canvas. And we're going to go 90 clockwise. And then we're going to get that wind filter coming, which is Filter, Stylize, and then we want Wind. And we want it coming this time from the right so that they go down. Wind. Wind looks good. What does stagger look like? Well, that didn't do much. I'm going to click on Wind. Okay. There, we've got our icicles coming. And then we're going to rotate. Might want some more on here. I'm going to put it again. Filter, and then Control F repeats it. Let's see what that does. Because we want more. Yay! Is that better? So repeat it again. And then we need to rotate it. So go back to Image, Rotate Canvas, and we want to go 90 degrees counterclockwise this time. See how that, ooh, that looks chilly. Doesn't that look chilly? And then we can put some sparkly spots, or go up to Filter, Render, Nah, let's see what lens flare does. Yeah, nice little yeah. Ooh, that looks very cold. And maybe some twinkles, but that looks good as it is. Okay, so crop that to size. There's 2 ices to do, or you might do 1 icy, 1 melting ice cream. That works as well. Okay.